Friends, welcome back to my channel. We've all seen these celebrities, haven't we? Hollywood, Bollywood, these stars laughing away so much. Whenever you see their video or watch them, they're laughing away all the time when you see them. Why do they laugh so much? Are they hiding some pain behind it? आँखों में नमी हंसी लबों पे क्या हाल है क्या दिखा रहे हो क्या गम है जिसको छुपा रहे हो तुम इतना क्यों no, don't get misled by these words, by these lyrics. They are not sad. They may be personally in life, but when you look at them, they are not sad. Why are these lyrics made? These lyrics are made for people like us who sometimes get fooled by them, because we sometimes live like robots. We are so emotional, and pain, our body loves pain, our minds. So guys, I have read so much about the mind, and I have read in scriptures that our mind, as I always say, it loves misery. It loves stories of misery, dukh ki baatein, dukh dard ki baatein. These sell like hotcakes. So if you see daily soaps, what are they made of? The actors, my God, tears, bucket full of tears. They're all glistering tears. Reality shows, haven't you seen the judges? Oh my God, crying unstoppably. And the participants, their rags to riches stories, all sentimental drama. Why is it? Because it sells like hotcakes, and we buy it because we forget that we are not supposed to be emotional fools. We have to learn to live in a high vibration mode. And in real life, these actors, they are in a high vibration mode most of the time. I don't know them personally, but I also do love to watch Bollywood movies. I would give anything to watch a Bollywood movie. And why are they in high vibration mode? Because they have their cups full. They are so full of themselves. Just watch them pose for a photograph and all that. They have these designer clothes on, their nose jobs, face jobs, lips jobs, all these are done, and those tons and tons of makeup on them. They look so good because they are in a high vibration mode. Even if they are sad, they may be sad sometimes, I don't know, but let's learn something from them. And they're not perfect, but we go and watch their movies because they look larger than life. Now, we don't have to be perfect. We don't have to be wearing designer clothes all the time or get a nose job or whatever done. We are good the way we are. But we do have to take some takeaway from this, this kind of a thing. Now, let's see. Let's talk about some of the tags that I would like to give you, or some red flags to look out for, so that you too can live in a high vibration mode and attract all the good things of life. Before that, please take a second to subscribe to my channel, like the channel, and press the bell icon so that we can stay connected, and I can give you more ideas how to uplift your life. Now, talking about being in the high vibration mode, see, the first thing I would like to tell you is learn to begin your day very well. So first thing in the morning, milk your vibrations. How do you do that? Do the inner work, meditate in the morning, spend a few minutes for yourself, the me time, some meditation, some sort of inner work, some sort of getting into the silent zone. This way you get a clean slate to write on, and you also kind of sharpen your saw so that you're prepared, you've done your homework. Number 2, I would say declutter and organize your stuff. Organize maybe your home, your desk, organize your day and decide what kind of a day you want, what you have to do. Set your goals for the day, set your goals for the month, for the year, for the maybe next 5 years. Don't live like a robot, have nothing to do or don't know what to do. You should have your goals clear in mind. Number 3, declutter your home. Get all the redundant stuff out. Don't think about, oh, I got this has so much sentimental value, and this was so expensive. Just if you're not using stuff in your home, just get it out, and maybe you can find somebody who can, use it. Thank that thing and just get it out of your home, so that, you have a clean space. And when you have space at home, you have space in the mind. You need to make space in the mind. So decluttering, I also mean, you know, get all the negative thoughts out of your mind, and also get rid of the negative people in your mind, people who don't serve you or bring you trouble. Just get them out. So that's about decluttering. Next on the list would be putting health on priority. Health is very important. So get those sneakers on. You see, exercise for me, I think it's as important as breathing. See, in a country like this also, people, you know, they, even in this inclement weather, they get time to, you know, exercise. Now with this COVID-like situation, all the gym equipment got sold out because, you know, people are so much into exercising and, you know, staying fit and so on. So learn to, you know, give time to yourself, exercise, and also drink lots of water and laugh a lot. And before I end this video, as I always, I want you to learn to live mindfully, live in awareness. What do I mean by that? By that I mean, don't take in and soak in others' trauma, you know, the trauma that they want to dump onto you. Don't become a dumping ground. Learn to live happily and don't entangle your soul with others. I'm not saying don't be good to others. It's good to be sympathetic. It's good to give a shoulder to somebody to cry on. It's okay. You have to be good. Giving is one of the things I always tell you to do. But apart from that, do not, you know, entangle your soul. Learn to live in a high vibration mode. I'm sure you can, and I'm sure you will. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. Live in high vibration mode all the time. See you, friends. Bye.